people like picking on us for some really weird reason. Like, they think we're monsters. Parang, ganun ba kami kasama sa tingin nyo? That we're like, I don't know what is it about us na parang gusto talaga nila tayong siraan. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm nice. Ako, happy talaga ako. Wala akong masusumbat sa sarili ko. If there's one thing, mabait ako sa subscribers ko. So, try to meet me in person. Baka magbago yung isip mo. Yun lang yung mensahe ko sa haters ko.
Hi, welcome to another episode of
Suspicious Neighbors!
Part na din talaga tayo ng LGBTQ community. QIA+++. Many pluses community.
Yeah.
So, parang kung i-correlate mo yun dun sa person, yung ikaw now, parang paano kanya natulungan doon sa content creation mo and who you are as a person now?
Honestly, yun nga, that's the first step. It was me coming out. I used that as my first subject. Kumbaga, parang yun yung actually top first natin yung content natin, yung coming out. I came out and I was really celebrated. So I felt that, oh my gosh, this could be an edge. But at the same time, as a person, this is just who I am. Parang di ko rin naman ni-revolve yung sarili ko around me being gay. Though I know that it's a hard step for me, especially in my community as a Chinese, parang, damn, Kingsley did that, na come out siya. So, with that, I'm really proud of myself. But at the same time, parang,
You don't want it to stop there.
Yes.
That people know you
Yes.
as a gay person.
Yes.
You're more than that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sabi sa inyo, connected yun ng mga brains na.
pero yun na yun, sis.
Diba?
You get me.
You got my brain.
She just gets me.
Nag-fill in the
agree.
blanks nga.
Yeah.
Agree ako doon. Parang I'm more than that, di ba?
Yeah,
Just
true,
like us.
true.
Kasi parang feeling ko, not to be shady pero being gay doesn't mean parang yun lang yung personality natin we are more than that we should be seen as humans and our essence din, our intelligence, diba? She's really welcoming. She is a big help. Kasi parang if she's not my sister, parang feeling ko mahihirapan din ako. Though I've mentioned in the past na parang sa kanya rin ako nahirapan mag-come out. It's because ayoko, alam mo yung parang it's always that notion na parang ayoko ma-taint yung image ko sa kanya because she's my best friend. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
But in fairness naman, I mean, what should I expect? Dapat tanggap niya ako. She is a true sister, I guess.
Pero
So,
feeling ko, yung pag-come out mo, lalo kayo naging close.
Yes, CC as in.
Sobra,
Super.
sis. To
Parang,
the point na, sobrang close talaga. Pati makeup ko ginagamit, ganun level.
Ang galing.
Damit ko sinusuot. Di ko akalain na darating kami sa puntong ganun. Pati yung damit ko talaga.
before no, especially.
Yeah, before. Especially before.
So, naging blessing din siya.
Yes. Ang dami naming moments together talaga.
Tsaka mas naging confident ka na din dahil wala ka nang tinatago.
Totoo yun.
Kingsley, you mentioned kanina, di ba? Ay, si Nadia pala nag-mention na parang nag-take ka ng break sa social media. I mean, ikaw din, di ba, babe?
Sabi sa'yo, pag dalawa kami, tapos
Naisip nyo ba ever mag-breakdown kayo sa internet? Or naisip nyo ba na mag-quit na lang kayo ng content creation?
Oh, I love that
in, cut
question. No. Why would I? Pero instead, Cece, I love that question.
Yeah.
Instead, I thought of it as a parang it was just a brief break. Kasi honestly, hindi naman tayo always dapat seen
Yeah.
True.
That's how I manage myself. Parang ayoko maumay sa akin yung tao. So once in a while, I love taking breaks. And ayoko ma-burn out. It's really important to take breaks, in my opinion. Kasi parang, once I took that break, na-realize ko kung ano yung mga parang truly na nagpapasaya sa akin. And sometimes, it's the off-cam moments.
Yeah.
Yun, dun ko naharap yung true happiness ko. But at the same time, when I was ready, dun ako lumabas na lang ulit. And gladly enough, talagang nandun pa rin yung mga tao. Alam mo yun? So, dun mo talaga makikita yung impact, I guess.
Yeah.
With the people, how they welcome you. So yun, parang happy naman ako na I took that break. Ganun.
Yeah.
Because if hindi, parang feeling ko ngayon ako bibigay. Diba? Yun. So it was really an important step for me as well. Parang feeling ko nga tumahimik na rin ako. I'm not as funny anymore, but I accept that. more than that, I matured a lot. Like, mas naging mature ako as a person. And yun yung napalit sa pagiging loud ko. Like, I used to be so loud.
Same.
But it's on the internet. It's on,
Same,
diba?
diba?
Parang we mature eh. Like, it's part.
Parang
it's
dati,
growth.
ang dami kong dada. Parang gusto ko palagi
Yung
may
ang taas
abag
na
ako.
energy.
Oo.
Di ba, Sisi? Tapos
my gosh,
parang
yes,
kalmado na lang, ganun. Pero I still like to think I'm so funny. Ganun na lang.
You are. You
Sisi,
You are funny.
Iyak na tuloy ako dito.
Ang reality lang ng as a content creator, di ba kapag nawawala ka for like a time being, parang minsan feeling mo nagsastart ka ulit sa una.
Yes,
Kasi parang
totoo
feeling
yun.
mo parang mahirapan ka ulit bumangon. What's your take on that?
I think that's part. Parang, syempre iniwan mo yung sarili mo on this stage, di ba? And normally, in this generation nga, gaya nga nasabi ni Cici, like, the attention span is so short. So may chance talaga, there's always gonna be that fear, that constant fear na parang, shit, what if malaos na ako pagbalik, wala, saan ako pupulutin? Kasi parang iniwan ko nga lahat. But then again, the internet is so big. So parang you can always start somewhere where you left off. And yun lang yung only light na, that gave me hope. Alam mo yun,
True.
parang ang dami pang pwedeng gawin eh. There's a
Marami
lot,
pang opportunities.
Yes, if there's a lot of people na sumikat just now, like, why can't that be me? Diba?
Yeah.
So parang there's always hope for everyone. There's always room for everyone.
I love the positive
Yeah. Feeling
positive
ko
mindset.
Yeah,
I
I've
love
always been
it.
that positive din. So probably manifestation works too.
Totoo.
Yeah.
How about you, Suzy? You.
Nasabi na rin yung lahat. But, no, I super agree with that. And this is what I always tell him because, contrary to what he says, na parang he looks so positive, but ito isi-spill ko rin, he has negative moments as
Yes.
well. As in, parang siya kasi, his biggest enemy is himself, si King Z. Parang lagi siyang nawawalan ng lakas ng loob, ganyan. And I try to be that person for him na kaya mo yan, sis, alam mo, kalaban mo lang ang sarili mo. And I also show him na parang it's never too late to reinvent yourself. As someone who's been in the industry for, again, close to a freaking decade at this point, like, I'm old. But, ayun, na-realize ko na hindi kailangan everyday ikaw ang relevant. Hindi kailangan top 1 ka. You just have to, sometimes surviving and reaching your people is enough. Like, that is why, in correlation to what you said earlier, yung taking breaks, super important siya eh. Kasi, darating yung araw talaga, if we don't take the breaks, mababurn out at mababurn out. Oo. Ako, for example, ang tagal ko na nag-work, so parang may time talaga na sobrang ariba. Yun nga, as we mentioned earlier, or as you guys mentioned earlier, parang gusto mo relevant ka, dami mong thoughts, gusto mo kasama ka, or like, whatever. I myself, talagang, meron akong toxic phase, kumbaga, yung phase ko na kinain talaga ako ng sistema. Lahat talaga ng trends, gusto ko, andun ako yung unang nag-review ng makeup products. And then, parang dumating ako sa edad, literal, as in, I feel like when you age, we really do mature. Dadating ka na lang sa edad na wala ka ng pake. Like, parang, wala ka ng pake kung hindi ikaw yung pinakamaganda, ikaw yung pinakasikat. Like, that shit just doesn't get to you anymore. Kasi, there's really nothing to prove. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. I've reached that stage na I don't have to prove anything. So, if I wanna take a break, okay lang. As in, I owe myself that. Kasi nagkatrabaho naman din ako, di ba?
Totoo.
We work naman. So, it's really a balance. Yun, finding yourself and just finding that balance na, and knowing truly that it's okay na hindi ikaw yung, hindi laging, like people have peaks. People have seasons, and that's okay. But yun nga, kay King Z, parang sinasabi ko rin sa kanya, huwag ka mawala pag-asa kapag nawala ka. Because, pwede kang,
Pag namatay ba? Sis?
pag like, you're taking a break, di ba? Kasi parang, pwede kang mag-reinvent, gano'n. Ang dami ko rin mga success stories, like, na minsan pinapagalitan ko, tingnan mo si Small Laude.
Oo, totoo
Like,
yun.
si Small Laude, like, di naman niya in-expect na parang, si Tita Small, na super fan ako, na parang at like, her age, dun siya magpipeak.
Yeah.
Or like, I'm seeing like other people na sobrang pinafollow ko matagal na, hindi sila nag-grow, and then one day, they become like super big. So, just don't give everything away. Like, it's okay to take breaks, but just at the end of the day, keep going. Yun.
It's giving a decade in the industry.
Oh my
Dekada na talaga.
Like, ang daming life lessons talaga.
Sisi, lagi ako madaldal pagka sis, pero ang audience lang ako for today's video.
Hindi niyo magsalita lang, ganun na lang.
Pero ang ganda ng sinabi mo, Sizzy. Ang
Thank
ganda.
you, thank
Nakaka-inspire siya for other people out there. Kasi nakakakuha tayo ng mga messages sometimes na paano mag-start, paano kapag tinatamad pag sa umpisa, pero ano yung inspiration, ganun. Yung sinabi mo, parang pwede niyong kunin yun as an inspiration.
Wow, love
Pwede
that.
ba i-repost yan?
Pwede.
Na-mention kanina na ang laki ng internet, di ba? And hindi rin natin maiiwasan na minasasabi yung ibang people about you guys. So, paano nyo dinideal with yung mga negative comments or yung mga hate, ganon?
Ikaw muna.
Ako, ato na naman tayo dahil nearing 10 taon na talaga guys. So, papalapit na ng
Isang dekada na po
palapit.
siya.
Features na naman tayo mamaya.
No, before talaga, babe, alam mo yung sobrang affected, kahit sino pa yan talaga. We're human beings. So, hindi talaga maiwasan na ma-affect tayo. Actually, maraming levels yung hate. Meron parang surface level, yung parang ang pangit mong taba mo. May mga ganun, may mga ganun tao. So, those, parang, syempre, it gets to me for like, I don't know, a minute, and then, wala, like, de-delete ko na. Ayoko talaga nag-stay siya sa page ko. Ako, ay, hindi ko hinahayaan na ang hate comment nasa page ko kasi more people will feed into it. Alam mo naman ng social media. So, ayoko, delete agad. Tapos meron pa yung parang second and third level. As in yung talagang characteristics and character mo na yung tina-target, like nag-iba ka na, like ganyan ka, plastic ka, or parang kung ano-ano sinasabi sa akin. Pero yun, pag character ko, ay ito yung binabaon ko sa utak ko na dapat whatever the haters are saying, it's wrong. It's wrong automatic. Kasi hindi ikaw yun eh. So yun talaga in-engrain ko sa sarili ko na whatever they're saying, mali yun and you don't have to believe it because it's wrong. It's not the truth. And as long as you know your core, your heart, and your soul, basta alam mo kung sino ka, diba? Parang kung ano man sabihin nila, kung ano man ibato nila sa'yo, hindi ka yun. So, as much as possible, don't try to get it to you. But I understand naman na we are human beings. Ma-affect talaga tayo. Pero ako, ayoko lang na I dwell on it too much. Kasi doon ako nasisira, doon ako bumabagsak as a person and kinakain ako minsan. Pero I try to tell myself, hindi ikaw yon, so move on. People have this notion sa ating influencers na we're out of reach. Yes, I mean, we are super privileged, I get that. But the thing na I guess like I would like to change. Parang people like picking on us for some really weird reason. Like they think we're monsters. Parang ganun ba kami kasama sa tingin nyo? That we're like, I don't know what is it about us na parang gusto talaga nila tayong siraan. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm nice. Ako happy talaga ako. Wala akong masusumbat sa sarili ko. If there's one thing, mabait ako sa subscribers ko. So try to meet me in person. Baka magbago yung isip mo. Yun lang yung mensahe ko sa haters ko. Mag-hi kayo sa akin.
If you're
Ganyan
listening.
If you're listening. Ayun.
So that's it, guys. But hindi pa dito nagtatapos. So syempre meron kaming bagong pakulo, which is like the juicy questions part.